Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about living and non-living things. Let us explore the world around us. First of all, we can look into what are living things. Look at this. These all are living things. Living things can grow, need air and water, and they can move. Look at the dog. It can move and wag its tail. And the plant, it grows, and butterfly, it can fly beautifully. Now let us look what are non-living things. These all are non-living things. They cannot grow and they do not need air and water and they cannot move by its own. Look at the ball, car and the stone. Now we have learned about living and non-living things. Let us group these things into living and non-living things. First is a lion. It comes under living things. It can grow and move by its own. Next comes the crane. It cannot move by its own and they do not need air and water and it comes under non-living things. Next comes the bottle. It do not need air and water and they cannot move by its own and it comes under non-living things. Then comes the shark. It goes to living things. And the table fan. It comes under the non-living things. It also cannot move by its own. Then lastly comes the bird. It goes to living things. It can move and it needs air and water and it can fly. So it comes under living things. So today we have learned about living and non-living things. Let us look around and find which are living and non-living things. And thank you.